Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to clear the cache in your Windows computer. Now guys, there are times when you're using your computer and you can find it very slow, and I know this is very annoying, but clearing the cache can really boost the performance and really save your life and headache enormously. And that's why I'm going to show you how easy it is to clear the cache in your Windows. Now guys, let me go ahead and show you what my cache look like at the moment, right? So if you right click on your Windows icon here and you go to Task Manager, right? Now it's gonna bring up a box just like this. Now let me go ahead and let me just expand this so that you can see a bit better. Now on the performance here guys, if I will go ahead and I will click on memory here, if you look you can see that my cache is about 800, almost 900 megabytes, right? Which is not so bad, but I am going to show you how I can really take this down enormously. Now guys, this tool here by the name of rammap, right? Version 1.61, and this is on a Microsoft website, so you know that this is a trusted tool. And you can see the size here is just around 671 kilobyte. Now what you want to do, you want to download this tool, and let's give it a couple seconds. Now it's already done. And let's open up this tool here. Here you can find it under my downloads and it's in a zip file. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna right click on it and I'm going to extract all. Now you see that I have it. Now there's a bunch of files here, and the one that you want to use is this one here, the largest file actually that is in the list, which is 662 kilobyte. Now you want to right click on this tool here and you want to run as administrator. Now you're gonna go ahead and choose yes. And once this box pops up, you're going to go ahead and click agree, and you'll be shown this box here, which is the rammap. Now let me go ahead and minimize a few things here. Let's say close a few things here so that you can see a bit better. And let me pull up the task manager. So now you have the task manager here guys, and let me expand it so that you can see it a bit better. And now I have both tools side by side. Now what I'm going to do, what you want to do now in rammap, you want to go to empty. And here you will see empty standby list. You want to click on this standby list and watch what's going to happen to my cache here. Just keep a close eye here. Now let me go ahead and click. So just watch it guys. Watch what's going to happen here. Empty standby list, and look at that, 3 megabytes. And guys, that's how easy it is to clear the RAM cache on your Windows computer. Now guys, if you found some value within this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time.